This program today, with a full hope that God is with us and all have a good will to serve Him.
All the donors who are present here today, Ginseng Samla Presbyterian Joy, and to see that you are supporting us at each and every step that we take. You are always there. This day is the day, a very important day for the blood bank. Across India, each and every blood bank is holding a voluntary blood donation camp right at this moment. Our motto, the desire of the health ministry is that we all conduct a voluntary blood donation camp on the same day to be able to come to the motto of one nation, one platform. India is very proud to be able to celebrate its 75 years of independence. There are emergency cases, there are cases which are not emergency, chronic cases too. And so what happened is that we store the blood at 2 to 6 degrees centigrade. Now, when a patient comes, when a patient needs blood transfusion, you will be taking a sample and send it to the blood bank for cross-matching. And I cannot express my appreciation to the Woodland Hospital, together with the Sengsamla Balang Catholic Mantadu, and also the Ginseng Samla Presbyterian Church Joy, and also the JYF for joining hands to enable our blood bank to have this program today together with the whole of India. The government of India has initiated a program that is, we all have heard what is known as the Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav. Under this, the Ministry of India, the Health Ministry of India has initiated a voluntary blood donation drive, which is launched across India this day, the 17th of September. And this drive will be till the 1st of October. And the 1st of October is also known as the National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. By donating blood, we are not losing anything. In fact, we are getting a good health. We are getting a benefit out of it. And a male and female can donate blood when he reaches 18 to still 60 years of age. And the body weight has to be 45 kgs above. Hemoglobin has to be more than 12.5 milligram percent. And in an adult body, an adult who has 45 kgs above will have a blood volume of 5 to 6 liters. On donation, we take 350 ml. So we understand out of that 5 to 6 liters, on donation, it's only 350 ml that will be taken out from the body. And when you give blood, on the very same day, the volume will come back. So when we take the blood from a donor, what we do is that we test. We have to make sure whether it is free from all the diseases. In all the blood bank across India, there are 5 tests that is being done on each and every single unit of blood. These tests are the malaria, syphilis, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and HIV. Okay? After the blood unit has passed all these tests, then we store it at a temperature of 2 to 6 degrees centigrade. And the shelf life of blood taken from a donor's blood is 35 days. Male and female both can donate blood when he or she reaches 18 years old till 60 years old. A male can donate every 3 months, while a female can donate every 4 months without affecting your health. In fact, donating blood will help you to have a better health. It will improve your health. We all know that iron is very important for the body, but then we all know that nothing is good. Anything in excess is never too good. So having iron in the body is important, but if it's excess in the body, then it will lead to so many other side effects.
한국의 스릴랭가 만든 우리도 레디오에 있나요? 이다들 그 이런 비디오를 그거래. 어그다 힘매랑 바이는 게. 하이포르치 바이해도가. 레와라 같을래 만도 해우라라 가본 에브리티로 있나. 거기 비 블록 그런 게. 오사와 에브리티 무슨 거야? 요브로 나네 요브로. 내가일래 이슬람 वो भाई वो तो तुम की बुरा नहीं नंदी मरा तुम हो ना कृष्णा मरा सीधा बुरा तो नाना तुम हो मेरे हो तो दुपंगाई जिंचार तो स्नाम तो बात करता है अंदर नो बुरा बुरा कर सकते नारे एक जीरो खापता में कितने दिनों डॉलर्स ये के लिए बुरा डॉलर्स.
And my sincere thanks goes to Dr. P. Syllad, who is the senior medical officer and in charge of the Joy Blood Bank. Without whose support, this wouldn't have been possible to organize this event. Last but not the least, my sincere thanks to the organizing members of this program, of this Woodland WK Hospital, including Senior RMO Dr. Syllad and Ms. Ibadahon, the Nursing Superintendent, Mr. Frankie Rimbai, the
Yeah, 120 Hah?